This is one of those loads you have to be careful when you secure it. I think it's so light, if I just started cranking down my chains, I would pull this thing. So all I can do is just kind of snug up a little bit and then use this side. This thing is just caked with spider webs. Big old nasty spiders, which I've got. Solution would be my broom handle. And yeah. Well, it would work out if my broom handle wasn't too long. I've seen some shit that made me think this could be from Black Widows, and I ain't fucking with them. So let's go from this direction. See if I can get around these wires. Get these wires up out of my way, I'd be okay. Don't want to reach up under here. Fuck. I really don't want to reach under there with my bare hand. Zip right there. It will. Fuck it. I am not playing with Black Widows. Obviously, I'm not a fan of playing with spiders. Especially ones that can really mess you up. The front end. If the bosses don't like it, they can come out and play with Black Widows. As for me, no thank you. That's not a party I'm into. I'm not afraid of spiders, but I'm not fucking playing with no damn Black Widows. That shit just ain't gonna happen. Sometimes you do have to take a couple trips around to tighten these. Nice thing is a Valero across the street. I ran over and grabbed some breakfast and some vitamin water, some Monster, Dr. Pepper, a couple slices of gas station pizza. Actually pretty good pizza. I've had better and I've had worse. That was actually pretty good. It was actually very edible. And there we go. Getting a little warm. I'm up in Redding, California. I moved with the grain carts in Corning yesterday. Okay, so I got the strap over the tongue. I just got one chain, two binders. And then I did an X with two chains, two binders. Due to spiders, I just went up to the frame. Not ideal, not my preferred method, but I am not playing with those freaking spiders. That's just not gonna happen. I mean, like I said, I don't mind spiders, but I'm not playing with no black widows.